Have you ever been in this situation? You meet someone new. You say hello, and then complete silence. Your mind goes blank. You know the words are in your head somewhere, but they feel like they are locked behind a heavy door.
Oh, Isabella, please do not remind me. That happens to me all the time. Just yesterday, I met a tourist at the park. I wanted to be friendly, but I froze. I smiled like a silly person for 10 seconds because I was translating nice to meet you in my head.
Exactly. You translate, you panic, and then you lose the chance to speak. It's frustrating, isn't it? It feels like you're watching a movie in slow motion while everyone else is moving at normal speed.
Yes, that is the perfect description. I feel like a slow computer. My brain makes a loading noise, and by the time I'm ready to speak, the person has walked away.
Well, it's time to fix that, Henry. It's time to stop that translation habit and speed up your brain because you're listening to Focus English, the podcast. I'm Isabella.
And I'm Henry, and I really need this lesson today, Isabella. I'm tired of translating. I want to be fast.
And today, we're going to teach you exactly how to do that. We're talking about how to speak English automatically. Are you ready to change the way you think?
I was born ready. But wait, Isabella, before we start, can I tell you a funny story? It's about translation.
Of course, Henry. I love your stories.
Okay, so 2 days ago, I went to a coffee shop. I wanted to order a sandwich. I was hungry. I looked at the menu and I wanted the chicken club sandwich. But in my head, I was translating club to my language. In my language, club can mean a heavy stick, like a weapon.
No, you didn't.
I did. The waiter asked, "What can I get you?" And I said, "I want the chicken stick sandwich." The waiter looked at me so strangely. He said, "Sorry, we don't have sticks." I was so embarrassed.
Oh, Henry, that is a classic translation mistake. You translated the word club literally, but in English here it means a type of food or a group of people. This is exactly why we must stop translating. Translation causes confusion.
Exactly. I want to order food, not weapons. So please, teach us how to stop.
Okay, let's dive in. Immersive scene. Close your eyes, Henry. Take a deep breath. We're leaving the studio. I want you to imagine we're not in a room. Imagine we're at a big, exciting party. There's loud music, people are laughing, and there's a long table full of delicious food.
Okay, I hear the music. It's pop music. And oh, I smell burgers, my favorite.
Of course, Henry. There are burgers. Now, you walk through the crowd. You feel confident. You're wearing your favorite blue shirt. You see someone standing near the drinks. His name is Jack. Jack looks friendly. He's holding a red cup. He sees you and smiles.
Okay, I see Jack. He looks cool. He's wearing a hat. He looks like a nice guy.
Jack walks up to you. He's very close now. He says, "Hi there, cool shirt. Did you buy it here?"
Okay, he likes my shirt. He asked me, did I buy it here? That means, where did I get it?
Yes, exactly. Now, answer him, Henry. Be quick. Don't think in your language. Just answer.
Thank you. It is a good shirt? No. I get it from the shop.
Okay, stop, Henry. Open your eyes.
Oh no, was it that bad? It felt terrible.
It wasn't terrible, Henry, but it was slow. I saw your eyes moving. You were looking up and thinking. You were translating in your head. You were thinking, how do I say I bought it last week? You were searching for the grammar rule for past tense.
Yes, I was trying to remember the past tense of buy. Is it buyed? No, bought. By the time I remembered bought, Jack was probably bored.
Exactly. That's the barrier. You want to be perfect, so you translate. But today, we are going to break that wall. We're going to teach your brain to skip the translation step.
So, Isabella, how do I break it? My brain loves my native language. It feels safe there. It is like an old, comfortable chair. Why should I get up?
That is a beautiful metaphor, Henry. Your native language is comfortable, but if you stay in that chair, you cannot go to the party. You cannot talk to Jack. We need to build a new home in your brain for English. We need to build a direct connection.
A direct connection, like a train?
Yes, like a high-speed train. Right now, your brain does this. You hear English, you translate to your language, you understand, you think of an answer, you translate to English, you speak. That is 5 steps. That is a slow train that stops at every station.
Wow, when you say it like that, no wonder I am tired. 5 steps is too much. No wonder I make mistakes with chicken sticks.
Exactly. We want to make it one step. You hear English, you speak English. To do this, we need to learn our key words for today. Are you ready?
Yes, pen is ready, notebook is open.
Keyword number 1 is translate. As we said, this means changing words from one language to another. For example, apple in English is tufa in Arabic.
Translate, like Google Translate. I use Google Translate too much.
We all do, Henry. But for speaking, it's bad because computers translate literally, like you did with the club sandwich. Humans translate feelings and ideas, but even that is too slow. We want to be automatic.
Automatic? That sounds like a robot.
Not a robot. Automatic means doing something naturally without thinking, like breathing. You don't think, now I will breathe, you just do it. It's like driving a car. At first, you look at the gears, the mirrors, the road. It's hard, but after 10 years, you just drive. You sing, you talk, you drive. That's automatic.
So, speaking English should be like driving.
That's the goal. To get there, you must connect words to pictures, not to your language.
Connect. Keyword number 3.
Yes. Henry, when I say the word dog, what do you see in your mind?
I see a fluffy animal. It's wagging its tail. It's brown.
Good. Do you see the word dog written in your alphabet?
No, just the picture of the animal. Woof woof.
Perfect. That's a connection. But if I say a harder word like procrastinate, what do you see?
Uh, I see the word written in my language first. Then I think about being lazy, sitting on the sofa.
Right. So for hard words, you're translating. We need to practice connecting hard words directly to feelings or ideas. See the laziness, not the word in your language.
Okay, so I need to see pictures. I need to visualize.
Exactly. And to do this, you must stop using your native language.
That's keyword number 4, right?
Yes, your native language is your first language. It's your mother tongue. It's like a noisy roommate. You're trying to learn English, and your native language is shouting, "Hey, translate this. Hey, say it like me."
Be quiet, native language. I'm trying to learn.
Yes, you must tell it to be quiet. You need to create a quiet space in your brain for English only. And how do we do that? We build a habit.
Habit, keyword number 5, like drinking coffee in the morning.
Exactly. A habit is something you do every day without planning. You don't decide to brush your teeth, you just do it. You must make thinking English a habit, even for 5 minutes a day. Finally, keyword number 6 is direct.
Direct, straight line, no curves.
Yes, direct. No detours, no translating. See a word, say a word. Think a thought, speak a thought. A straight line from your brain to your mouth. Okay, Henry. Theory is good, but practice is better. We are going to do a speed drill. Everyone listening, I want you to play along. Do not translate, just listen and repeat.
Okay, everyone, fasten your seatbelts. We are going to speak fast.
I speak English.
I speak English.
You speak English.
You speak English.
We speak automatically.
We speak automatically.
No translation.
No translation.
Direct connection.
Direct connection.
Great. Now let's make it harder. I will say a sentence and you answer with yes or no. But be fast. Do not translate the question. Just feel the answer.
Okay, I am ready for the speed round.
Do you like pizza?
Yes.
Are you a bird?
No.
Is the sun hot?
Yes.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Did you eat a car for breakfast?
No.
See, that was fast. You didn't translate, did you eat a car? You just heard car and breakfast and knew it was silly. That is automatic thinking. Now, listeners, press pause, look around your room, name 5 things you see. Do not say the word in your language, say the English word only. Go.
Okay, Isabella, I did it. I see a microphone, a headset, a table, a chair, and the coffee.
How long did it take?
Maybe 3 seconds. Very fast.
Excellent. That is the habit we want.
Whew, that was intense, Isabella, but it felt good. But I have a problem.
What is it, Henry?
What if I don't know the word? Like, I can answer fast because I know blue and eggs and chair. But what if I forget the word? I freeze again. The train stops.
That is a very good question, Henry. This is the emergency situation. Many learners are afraid of this. They think, if I don't know the word, I cannot speak. But that is not true. We have a trick. It is called describing.
Describing? Like painting a picture with words?
Exactly. If you don't know the word, describe it. Talk about what it does or what it looks like. Use simple words that you know.
Okay, let's try. I want to say refrigerator, but I forgot.
Go ahead, describe it to me. Make me understand without saying the name.
It is a big box in the kitchen. It is white. It is cold. It keeps our food fresh. It makes ice. It has a door.
Oh, you mean the fridge.
Yes, the fridge. You understood me.
Exactly. You didn't need the word refrigerator. You described it and we understood. This keeps the conversation going. It keeps you speaking automatically. You never have to stop talking.
That is such a relief. So if I get stuck, I just explain what I mean.
Precisely. Use simple words, use your hands. Just keep the flow going. Let's try another one. Henry, imagine you're at a restaurant. You want to order spaghetti, but you forgot the word.
Okay, I say to the waiter, I want the food. It is long. It is round like a string. It is usually red. It comes from Italy.
Spaghetti.
Yes, it works.
See, you're communicating. That's the goal. Communication is more important than perfection.
Whew, I feel much more confident now, Isabella. I think I can go to that party now and talk to Jack. I will tell him about my shirt and I will not translate.
I think you can too, Henry. But before you go, let's review our 6 words one last time to make sure they stick in your memory. Repetition is the mother of skill, remember?
I remember. Okay, number 1 was translate. That is what we stopped doing.
Correct. We do not want to be slow. We want to be automatic, which is word number 2.
Right. To do that, we connect words to pictures.
Word number 3, And we must tell our native language, word number 4, to be quiet.
We do this to build a habit, word number 5.
And we want our thinking to be direct, word number 6.
Translate, automatic, connect, native language, habit, direct. I think I got them.
Let's make a sentence with all of them, just for fun.
Oh, a challenge. Okay. To stop translating, I build a habit of connecting words directly so I can speak automatically without my native language.
Bravo, Henry. Perfect sentence. Excellent work today, Henry. You spoke fast, you answered directly, and you didn't freeze.
Thanks to you. I'm going to go home and talk to my walls in English. Hello, wall. You are white.
That's a great start. Remember, everyone, practice makes perfect. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are your friends. They show you that you are trying.
And now for the question of the day.
Ooh, what is it today?
The question is, what is the hardest word for you to remember in English? Tell us in the comments below. Maybe Isabella can help you remember it with a trick.
That is a great question. I can't wait to read your answers. Thank you so much for listening to Focus English, the podcast.
See you in the next episode. Bye!
Goodbye, everyone. Keep focusing.